Now we are going to do the other experiment, in which we are now going to do the experiment for 7402 IC. For this I am going to make the connection and show it to you. What we'll do is, the output we will connect at pin number 1. The two inputs, I0 is connected to pin number 2 and this input is connected to pin number 3. As you can see from here, the input, there are 4 or NOR gates in this IC 7402, and first NOR gate has input 2, 3, output is 1. Another is 5, 6, output is 4. Similarly 8, 9 input, 10 output, 11, 12 input, 13 output. So I have connected the gate number 1. Now first of all what I have done is 0, 0 output is 1. Now this is 0. Now 0, 1 output is, now we are doing the second addition where input is 0, A is 0, B is 1. The output is 0. Now what we are doing is, A is 0, A is 1, B is 0. This condition, and the output is 0. Now we are doing the last condition where both are high, output is 0. So this is the truth table for and NOR gate. So now we have done IC number 2, that is 7402. Earlier we have done 7400. Now we are going to do IC number 3, that is 7404. In this IC there is only one input, so we will take one input I0 connected to pin number 1, and the output we will take from pin number 2. Now that we have made the connection, let me make the truth table. There is only one input and there can be only two states. One is 0 and another is 1. So let us see what we get. Green one is the input we have connected from I0 to pin number 1. From pin number 2 we have connected the output. We are given 0 and we are getting output as 1. And in the other state we have connected the input to high and we are getting the output 0. So this is the working of the another IC, that is 7404. Let me draw the logical symbol. The symbol for a NOT gate is this. This indicates negative, ulta karne wala. Now for input, pin are 1, 3, 5, 9, 11 and 13. The output pins are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So now we have worked the IC 7404. Now we are going to do IC number 3, that is 7408. For this IC we need two inputs. First of all we'll switch off the trainer. We'll make the required connection. This is my I0 is going to pin number 1 and my I1 is going to pin number 2. My output pin number 3 is going here. Now I'll switch it off. Now what we'll do is, we will draw the table. First of all we are doing the condition 0, 0. For 0 0 the output is 0. Now what we are doing? We are making a high, that is 1 0, and the output is 0. Now what we are doing is making this high, that is 0 1, output is still 0. Now we are doing A and B both input high and the output is 1. So this is the working of IC number 7408. Now we have done this also. Now we are left with only two IC, 7432 and 7486. For that I will again remove the outputs. I'll connect the output where it is shown in the diagram, pin number 3. I'll connect the input to pin number 2 and pin number 1. Now I've made the connection. Now I'll switch on the kit. Again we'll go through the steps as we have been doing. So this is the first. What we have done is 0 0 0 0 both input, output is 0, it is not flowing. Now we are doing 1 0, that is input is high, I0 is high, this is I0, this is I1, this is O0. Now 1 0, the output is high. Now we are going to do the another condition, that is 0 1. A is 0, I0 is low, I1 is high. Output is 1, as you can see. Now the last condition, when both are high, I0 and I1 is high, output is 1. Now we are going to do the last connection. Now we are going to do the 7486. This is a XOR gate. So again what I have done is I have connected pin number 1 to I0, pin number 2 B I1, output to O0. Now we will see the result. Now what we will do, first condition is 0 0 0. Now we will do 1 0 1. Now what we will do, 1 0, that is B is high and A is low, that is 1. Now both high, this will 0. So this is the working of a 7486 IC, that is a XOR gate. There are 4 XOR gates as you can see from the diagram, and you can use any of them. You can use more than one at one time. So this is the complete working video of a logic gate trainer.